Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Asteria Hair. They sent me this wig and I'll be installing it with y'all. It is a closure wig. Inside of the bag they sent me some goodies, which is a milk lace band, some lashes, and a wig cap. They also sent me a care book on how to take care of the hair, y'all. This is how the wig looks. It is a closure wig. It is 24 inches. It definitely was good quality hair, y'all. So today's video I will be installing this wig with y'all, showing y'all how I achieved the look. So let's get right into this video. So guys, by me bleaching the knots and washing the wig, I ended up deciding to straighten the hair out. It definitely was good texture, y'all. Like, look at it, it definitely was full. I definitely loved it, and the length definitely was given. It was longer than what it said it was, y'all. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything. You can use my discount code when you purchase to get money off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to tell them that I did send you. Don't forget to go shop with Asteria hair. Everything will be in the description box, y'all. I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you already haven't. We want to roll to 100K. Y'all know the vibes, period. And look at the hair, y'all. Definitely get into it. If y'all are interested in closure wigs, sis, this is definitely one to get. But I will see y'all in my next video.